What's up, y'all? Car Guru back with another here at the shop. See that? So, got something to show y'all. Y'all seen the thumbnail. Y'all seen the title of the video. Yeah, man. I went ahead and did it. Some of y'all may have known if y'all follow me on Instagram, but ooh-wee. Yeah, I did that. Went ahead. Got the Ecuteck Pro. Programming with a little Bluetooth. Got the thumb with the cord. At the desk here, I lost a little front piece cover already and some stupid stuff. I don't know how I did that. It's probably in my backpack somewhere. And we got this. We got the Bluetooth. You'll see that. Ecuteck. They came with the stickers. Oh yeah, yeah. Get medicated sometimes. You see that. And then also shout out to Brandon down at BTunned. I hope I said his name right. Yeah, he's the one who gave me the deal on this unit here, and he will be the first one to be remote tuning my car. I might find somebody out here in California to do it. Maybe not. It depends how things go. But just had to show y'all a quick little unboxing of the Ecuteck. I've already sent my ECU over to Ecuteck because they hadn't just yet broken into the 2019 ECU, so I think I'll be one of the first people to get that done. I just got the new version back, and I have to use their new software, the beta version. So we'll be testing that and seeing how that goes. Also, I'm gonna have something else coming for y'all in another video. Some shit. Yeah, I ordered some other shit. So that was that. Come in this cool little case, come with the cord and everything. I might even plug a little video in here for y'all to see when I start to upload it. And I'm gonna have a trailer coming soon. So shout out to Ecuteck, shout out to BTunned, and I'm gonna put this description and link below, and a clip of their Instagram page on there. So if y'all looking to get into this, hit him up. And he's out in Florida, and I'm out in California, and he hooked me up with this. So definitely great dude. Check him out. Check y'all out later.